guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Barbie Chatterjee with you guys again, and today I'll be reviewing the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Wear Concealer. So this is how the concealer looks like, and yeah, let's get started with the review. But before that, you need to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment down below what different looks you want me to create and what different products you want me to review for you guys. And also please do follow me on my Instagram if you're not following me already, because I post some great content and great stuff over there. So yeah, let's get started with the review. So the first thing which I would like to show you is the packaging. So this is how the packaging looks like of the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. It just looks like Tarte Shape Tape. I've heard like the packaging is an exact copy of Tarte Shape Tape. They have just changed the outer printing and everything, and this is an amazing concealer, you guys. This is this has become my favorite concealer right now, and it is priced at rupees 990, 999, 1000 rupees, which is actually expensive than the concealer. And this is 1000 rupees for a concealer is not drugstore. So L'Oreal is amping up their prices as well as their game everything. So this comes in a bottle like this, and when you twist it open, okay, I'll first show you all the details are mentioned over here on this sticker. And the manufacturing date is 3/19, and the expiry date is 3/22, so you have 2 years shelf life. So I think that's pretty decent. I'll maybe use it up because this has become my favorite. And this has a huge ass wand. Just look at the wand, you guys. The wand is like a huge doe foot applicator. This applicator is really convenient to get in there and apply this. You can also drag it as your foundation, and the applicator is same as the Tarte Shape Tape, though I have never used it because it's really expensive, and to be honest, I can't afford it. So I'll just show you a comparison with a different concealer. I have this Wet n Wild concealer. This is in the shade Dark Cocoa. I'll just show you the difference in the wands. So just look at the wands. Just look at the wands. So they are so different. This is like tiny, and this is like so huge, and you also get more quantity in this L'Oreal Paris concealer. I'm in the shade, where's the shade, yeah, 317 almond. It's mentioned in the bottom over here. It's written in very tiny letters, and I'll just show you the shade of the concealer. So this is how the shade of the concealer looks like. It's a tad bit darker than my skin tone right now. Like when I'm tanned, this is going to suit me really good, but now I'm not tanned at all because we are all quarantined and we are staying home, so I'm not tanned at all. So this is a tad bit darker for my skin tone. However, I managed to like use it, and it's okay for my skin, and I really love this concealer, you guys. Like this kind of gives you that full coverage. You will be seeing the demo in the next in the next clip. I have already filmed the demo of this, and I created this makeup look. So this is an amazing concealer. If you're wondering, you can just wait for sales. Whenever there is a sale going on this, I got mine from Myntra. So just wait for a sale. Whenever a sale goes up, go and grab this because an amazing concealer. You will not regret buying this. I even when this just came, I applied the concealer. I just wanted to try it out. I applied that on one side of my eye, and I went to take a bath. Like I had to go up like for a bath, and legit, this is legit waterproof, you guys. I was taking bath and it didn't move, it didn't budge. Like I was so shocked. I had to rub, and like still it didn't go away completely. I took a bath for 1 hour maybe. After that it went off. Otherwise this concealer stuck onto my under eyes like super glue. So this is an amazing concealer if you're looking for an everyday basis. If you are a bride to be, if you are a bridesmaid, if you are anything, just go ahead with this concealer, because I am telling you guys, you can just blindly go on for this concealer because this is a really good concealer. And I think this is, we have found a dupe for Tarte Shape Tape. I think this does the exact work. It gives you full coverage, it stays on for long, and the packaging is almost similar. So why I got this concealer is just because of its packaging, because this packaging is different and it appeared a little bit more attractive. So that's the reason I went ahead for this concealer. So one thing which is really bad about this concealer is its shade range, because I don't know how many shades it's had, but in India it has only 3 shades. So my shade had to be, I guess, 315 or something like that. I don't remember. I was looking for videos to find my shade, but I had to get 317, which is a little bit darker for my skin tone. because there are no shades. Like there are only 3 shades available for this concealer, which is a big bummer. And I am completely against L'Oreal for this. Like, why are you launching this in India if you don't have shades for this? Like, if L'Oreal is watching this video, like, please launch more shades. Only 3 shades. How will people be able to use this concealer? Like, if I didn't get my shade, I couldn't use this. This is such an amazing concealer, you guys. I don't know why they're launching in India with 3 shades. God damn it, the beauty community is increasing. Just launch more shades and people are going to buy that. Otherwise, people can't invest in your concealer. So that's one thing. Otherwise, it has full coverage. The blendability is amazing. It sits on nicely. It sits on your face nicely. It doesn't make you feel dry. If you have dry skin, you just need to apply a little bit of under eye cream, a good moisturizer beneath, but it doesn't make you dry. The packaging is amazing. It looks luxurious, and everything about this concealer is amazing except its shade range and its price. The price is like too expensive. What, 1000 for a concealer is just making me go crazy. 1000 for a concealer is just too much. I am not going to invest 1000 in a concealer, man, but this just attracted me and I spent my 1000 bucks on this concealer. But I don't regret it because this is an amazing concealer and amazing dupe for Tarte Shape Tape. So after this you will be seeing the demo how I apply this concealer and everything. And I don't feel that this oxidizes much. It does oxidize, I guess, to 1 shade darker. It looks like that it oxidizes to 1 darker, so check out for that. So yeah, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe and comment down below. Bye bye. I'm just gonna cover that up over the concealer. So I'm just gonna apply a really tiny amount out with a small buffing brush. And out with a small buffing brush, I'm going to take my big foundation brush and I'm just gonna stipple it in a little bit so that it just blends in properly. Use the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Concealer. So it's a pretty decent full coverage concealer. I'm just going to apply over here, out. I'm going to set it with some translucent powder. This one is by Swiss Beauty and I really love it. It's an amazing setting powder. So I'm just gonna set that concealer.